Hello everyone, this is me Nabiha and you're watching Kraft Hub. A very warm welcome to my journey of YouTube. Well, surprisingly, this video is not any arts and crafts tutorial nor a cooking and baking recipe. But today, I am going to discover another unexplored part of my channel. And yes, you got it right. That's unboxing and review of a product. Today I'm going to unbox Amazon Basics 50-inch lightweight tripod and give the product review in this video. The product is from Amazon.in and I got it just today itself and thought to open it. Now I'm going to open it using a pair of scissors, of course, and I won't lie, I have already opened it because I was super duper excited to discover what's right inside it, and now I'm sharing the clip I made with you all. Once you open the packet, you're gonna get a cardboard box right inside this. And once you open the box, you're gonna get a black bag right inside. It comes with a strap, of course, and the product is cool. The quality is great, and once you open it, tada! You're gonna get the tripod. This tripod is really beautiful and elegant. This is the Amazon Basics 50-inch lightweight tripod whose minimum height is 16.5 inches, as you can see it here. Its head allows 360-degree rotation from every side using this knob. And by loosening this, you can tilt it down as well. All you need to do is to loosen its handle. And of course, you can extend it vertically as well, like this, as you can see it over here, and lock it from the same knob. Now for extending the legs, all you need to do is to unlock their locks and you can extend it according to your choice. You can extend it maximum, or when you're happy with the height, then you can simply lock it by its lock, as you can see it over here. You need to do the same with all the three and you'll get the maximum height of the tripod. Well, its maximum height is 50 inches, as you can see it. Now, for the swivel plate, you need to stretch the hook towards your side. Yes, it is gonna be a little tight, so you need to put a lot of pressure while doing it. And then, once you release the swivel plate, you can see the nail on it and simply attach the mobile holder on it. Once you have attached it, you can place it back on its place and then make the lock insured. You can upper it and rotate it again, all the 360-degree rotational way. I consider that the best advantage of this product is its aluminium leg and the beautiful lock it has to ensure a stable and a nice photograph or video. You can see it has got the rubber legs which ensure it well that it does not move in any case. You can see how sturdy it is. Nextly, the second disadvantage is that it does not come with a mobile holder, so you need to purchase it separately. Just the way as you can see, I purchased it from Flipkart and I'm definitely going to share the product link in the description box as well. You can check it out too. Also, the bag in which it comes is really great. It comes with a strap, it has got a nice quality zip, and the bag's material is also good. Now, for the mobile holder, so here I've taken this one, and I would always recommend you to take a two-faced tripod so that you can place it horizontally and vertically. For attaching the mobile holder with the swivel plate, you need to insert it inside the nail, and at the bottom you're gonna get a key. Once you rotate it nicely, this is gonna get fixed, and then you can easily place it right on the tripod's area. Here I'm gonna place it, as you can see, and then lock it with its lock. Once you're done fixing it, you can place the mobile in the holder and rotate it 360 degrees like this, as you can see. You can also place it by the side, the way you see me doing, and upside down as well from both the sides, like this, as you can see, placing it down too. And you must have observed the product quality. If you want to watch other videos of mine, I'm going to link them here in the I button. I hope you found my today's video informative, useful, or just entertaining. And yes, if you are a new visitor to my YouTube channel, then I would love to have you as a subscriber. Give my videos a thumbs up, share them, and hit the bell icon so that you can remain notified whenever there's a new upload. Well, this was my first ever unboxing and review of a product. I hope you liked this video and let me know about it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.